You gonna throw up?
Hey, Zach. Zach.
Hi.
Zach. Smile.
Say hi.
Are you just like a girl? Oh my gosh. Yeah. She's smiling. Just like a girl. You're just like a girl. You like being dressed as a girl?
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down.
Smile. Are you dressed like a girl, Zach? Are you dressed like a girl?
Do you want to go for a walk in the stroller? It sounds so funny. You're gonna walk in the stroller?
You're gonna walk inside the stroller?
Or are you just gonna wave your arms all over the place and kick the crap out of the world?
Oh, you're flying.
You're flying. Yeah. Say hi.
Wonderful. I'm making a video. Oh my god, these batteries are almost dead too.
It doesn't take much for cameras, so you need special batteries. Right? Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're just like a girl today, eh? You're gonna be so mad at mommy when you're older.
Yes, you are.
I love you.
He's like, what?
And then you'll be mad at your sister too because she's videotaping you.
Yep. Smile.
Stop the chair if there are obstacles. The seat swivels and locks so you don't twist your body. And the Acorn Stairlift holds away. It even works through...
Say hi. I can fly. Yet again.
You're gonna throw up. Oh, you're just so cute.
Stand up. Stand up.
Can you smile for the camera before I turn it off?
Sit down.
Can you smile for the camera? Are you dressed as a girl? Yeah?
Say hi. Hello. Look up. Say up. Up. Say hi.
Family company. Who knew that my period or intimacy, even salt, could
What?
The commercial's funny.
prebiotic. Use it every day.
Say hi.
A healthy feminine pH. Balanced, confident. Only from Vagisil.
When dance? Stand up. Stand up.
Big benefits for your heart health.
Down.
Okay. Smile one more time before I turn the video off. Say bye. Say bye to the camera, Zach.
Bye-bye. Fist bump.
Fist bump. Okay, bye. Can you smile for me one more time?
Bye-bye.
You want to smile for me one more time? No? Can you dress as a girl? Oh, okay. Not working. He's just like, no.
$646.
Oh.
Give it to $5,846. Liam, Mercedes. Woodworking bench. Tool.
Okay, bye.
3D LED LCD HDD for the garage.
You saying bye to the camera?
Refrigerator. That looks like it belonged in the garage. And a brand new Toyota.
Okay, bye.
You get $25,500. Actual retail price, $20,000.